It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, welcome back to the channel, Spirit Boosters. Yes, I am back. Miss Janita's back because I am sharing my prepper haul of tomato sauce and beans, chili beans. I got this stuff from where? Sam's Club. And it was a blessing to get because a lot of stuff is unavailable. Like I told y'all, they got limits for the folks that are food security, preppers, pantry stockers, and so forth and so forth. Whatever you call yourself while you obtaining several large hauls of food because of the upcoming major food shortages that's happening right now in a lot of areas, and now I see it is really affecting my area over here in Southern California. When they start putting limits on food, I have to concern myself and figure out, hey, are they trying to say that it's gonna be a major shortage over here too? We ain't had no flood, we ain't had no bad storm. We are having a terrible drought. We're in a drought. But as far as what happened in Florida with that Ian, that horrible storm knocking out power, destroying crops, taking out necessary utilities, we ain't had nothing like that. But we do have the drought, which is horrible on our crops too. Folks leaving California because of the high cost of living. They taking their cows, their animals with them and moving them to a cheaper place, probably places that don't have no state taxes and all that stuff carrying on. That's why they leaving. But it is some good stuff out here in California. Like for instance, the weather is kind of good over this way. Yeah, we got earthquakes, but hey, as far as them hurricanes, tornadoes, and them tropical storms, we can do without, but we do need some rain. We would welcome that storm. Not to be funny, but we do need some water over here. Okay, we done had a few little rain falls here in a few days, but we need more water than what's going on. But as y'all can see, I'm on here trying to share with you. Like I said, it's a prepper haul. I stocked up on these items because I heard about the tomatoes. They talking about potatoes, now oranges, and a few other things supposed to be in short supply because of, the bad weather affecting the crops. So you got to get what you can get while you can get it. Now, like I say, I'm concerned with Sam's Club limiting food items. I got another order coming, and I'm going to share that with you guys, what I plan on doing with that order. But this right here is my favorite tomato product. It's called Red Gold. The flavor in Red Gold, it's really good. I really like it. So what going on here, I got 2 cases. Well, I call them a case because it's more than 2 cans. I got 2 cases of the Red Gold diced tomatoes. I got 2 cases of the Red Gold tomato sauce. You just see one of each because the shit, shit is heavy. I can't put all this stuff on my stove like that. I got 2 cases of the Red Gold tomato paste. I try not to be saying curse and all that stuff, but hey, it may be some Christians over here, but Christians curse, the Lord cursed, all that stuff is in the Bible. I ain't got to prove nothing. But if stuff come out of my mouth like that, one word ain't gonna kill y'all, okay? And I got some Denison's chili. My husband said he like it. You can see the box is kind of open. He loved the Denison's chili Concordia as high as I don't know what. And I got the Wolf chili. Like I say, I got some other stuff coming. And it's on a delay order Because like I say, Sam's Club is acting like they running out of food and everything on back order, or no, you can't get it right now, or it's taking a long time for you to receive it because folks buying up food like it's their business and they know that something about to happen. But if we get nuked or whatever, it ain't even gonna matter. But until then, continue to stock your pantries, your food closet, your garage food closet, your basement, your cellar, wherever underground, that's where you at. Hello to the folks under the ground. How y'all gonna protect yourself from the nuclear materials that's gonna eventually saturate and absorb into the ground and find its way down into your underground tunnel some kind of way? I don't know how. Did y'all buy any medicine for that? If y'all get radioactive, infected down there, I know some of y'all got powerful radios because y'all call yourself preparing for all of this natural disaster or man-made disasters that's supposed to be happening soon. Anyway, it's going to be even a bigger disaster if Republicans take over the House and the Senate, because all the laws that us Democrats and liberals and folks like that want stuff to be equal opportunity in the world, it won't take effect if Republicans take over the House and the Senate. Republicans, they some mean old bastards. I mean, what the heck? We need a group of people like that in Congress. They don't get along, the Democrats and the right and the left. They always fuss and argue. They can't agree with nothing. When it's coming to helping the underserved, unequal folks, they don't give a dang. I don't know if this is just all rich people. How can you have a poor Republican? That don't make no sense to me, because they do not care about your poor, broke South. How do you vote for these people? All I know, I heard Roland Martin tape, but I didn't need to hear his video to tell me that if y'all don't go out there and vote for at least the Democratic side, that's the only way a lot of these laws will get passed. Because other than that, you can forget it. When the Republicans take over, they gonna probably, allegedly, I heard, get rid of same-sex marriages. They already got rid of woman's right to decide what she want to do with her body, medical concerns, which is still something that I just can't get. I just can't see that. I can't see how that works when men are making laws about how women can say what they want to have done or not done to their bodies. That just don't make sense. A law where women can't do what they want to do. And then they talking about, I read or seen or heard an article that said, that was sharing news about, they want to check young girls, keep a record of young girls' periods in high school, junior high school. What they want to know all that for? And then Roland Martin, this ain't me saying this. Y'all can check my community tab. I'm about to get off here, but y'all can check my community tab. Roland Martin is saying that one of the reasons, allegedly, is because the white man is fear of his race not growing, so he wants them white women pregnant and barefoot, I guess. White women, I know y'all ain't got no time for that crap. A lot of y'all ain't having it. And if I got some of y'all white women on my channel that ain't having it, say so in the comment. Okay? Share your opinion, how you feel about your race trying to tell you what to do with your body because they want you to populate the earth more. Like, it's so many people on earth, different races that's populating the earth. How you gonna keep up? I don't know, but I don't think no woman want to just sit around and just have 5 billion kids. Some women don't want to sit around and have 13 kids. Like, it's a lot of videos on here. Okay, I'm going to something else. Let me get off here. But anyway, this is my prepper haul of my tomatoey, saucy, savory food items that I stocked up on that I got to put away. But I just want to come in here and share that with y'all. And anything that I discuss, please go to my community tab if y'all want to hear a different opinion, a different set of ears hearing what's going on in the world. Go to my community tab, click on one of them videos, and let yourself not be ignorant no more about what's going on in this world. But remember to vote. Did y'all get y'all ballots? Okay, I'm out. I'm busy. Miss JENITA always busy. Bye. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit